everybody, welcome to Greek and Simple. I'm Theodora, I'm your Greek friend, and here in Greek and Simple we're making Greek recipes, and not only all these Greek goodies, and not only Greek, but all kinds of cuisines that we like. So if you are into that cooking mood and you like Greek food and recipes and you like to experiment in kitchen like I do, then you should subscribe to this channel because I'm uploading often, like every week, new videos for you, and share my recipes, and subscribe and like and comment because you're gonna help this channel to grow and I'm gonna make more recipes. Today I'm baking a special occasion cake. Not that special, but special because it's gonna be all my favorite stuff. The lemon flavor with blueberries that they give like amazing purple texture and color to the cake that I really love, and I'm gonna make it here today with you, so you can check the recipe. I'm gonna put it somewhere here if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna put the recipe somewhere here, and you can start mixing all and stirring all the ingredients together, and we're gonna bake it together and decorate it. That's my favorite part, the decoration. You already prepare the mix and you're perfect capable to do it yourself, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. And I have all the description, everything you need, ingredients, how to, everything on the description down below. And this is my mixture. I'm gonna pour it to my tray here. And now I'm going to add the blueberries that I already rinsed them with some flour so they won't go on the bottom. And that's how the cake should look. Our both layers are here, and we're gonna cut them in half, and that's how we're gonna have 4 layers. Going to the cake now, I need to let you know that we're not gonna have a sound. You're gonna see some shots of me doing the cake, and I'm gonna explain how, but we're not gonna have a sound because that's how my birthday cakes are. They're full of surprises, and that was one more surprise, and it happened on time that I was doing the cake, and some else stuff happened, and it was very funny. I was recording without a voice. No sound to these shots, but they're good, so keep watching and I'm gonna explain how I did everything. So here I put it on that turning table tray, and I'm gonna cut it. I need to concentrate, so I say something like, please be quiet, I need to concentrate, and you're not showing the cake, so you keep your knife still, you hold the cake, you turn the table, but not your knife, you're not showing, otherwise you're gonna make breadcrumbs and we don't want that. After you cut your layers, you're going to see these beautiful blueberries. Isn't it pretty? Oh my god, it's so pretty, I love it. And next thing we're gonna do it's to cover each layer with lemon curd. I really love lemon curd, it's so yummy. You don't need to make it, you can buy it. I bought it, I didn't have time to make also a lemon curd. But the previous cake that I did, if you haven't watched the other video, because I used some lemon curd there too, that one was made for me. But that one is bought from the market. I really liked that the lemon curd, it was really good, and I used it, so I suggest you to do the same if you want to save some time. If you like to making lemon curd, so then do it yourself. So we're gonna cover each layer with lemon curd, and it's really delicious, trust me. So after you're done with the lemon curd, try to put the last layer on top, the bottom actually of the cake, so it's gonna be even, so you won't have like uneven layer of the cake. But you can help it with some buttercream, as you can do that also on the sides, because the lemon curd is gonna start leaking. So avoiding that, cover your sides of the cake with some buttercream. That will help to stop the leaking from the lemon curd. This is what I did here, and it was very successful. At that point, my little one woke up that I thought she's gonna nap for another an hour or half an hour or like 40 minutes at least, but she woke up earlier, so she surprised me by showing up with a spoon and asking from the Beday cake. That's how Ellie calls birthday cake. It's so cute. So I could not hold her away from the cake, and I didn't want to actually. It was really fun to have her around, so I'm gonna cut some scenes from her being around me with her big spoon. And that's how I decorate the cake. And here on the top I'm applying some fresh fruits like blueberries, blackberries and strawberries and raspberries. I also used the tip of the pastry dispenser. Is that a dispenser? Is that how we call this beautiful tool? I think so. Because I had these plastic bags, but I ran out, and to be honest, I didn't like using them. So that tube, like the dispenser for the buttercream, it was really helpful. So I did these stars on the top. I put the fresh fruits on top. I didn't sugarcoat them because we're going to have the cake immediately, and we had it. Yeah, I think some fresh fruits and some decoration on top will save the cake and make it look even more detailed and appealing to your guests. So that was it, guys, for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking, and all these nice things you know how to do. And I really enjoyed this birthday cake. I hope you're gonna like it too. It's not only for birthdays, you can actually make it any time of the year. Like you don't need to have it on only birthdays, but it happened to be my birthday. Thank you for supporting this channel and sending your love to me and following and subscribing and all these nice things that you do. And many kisses, and I wish you the best.